To begin with, click on the link below my description. It will bring you to the RankMath page. Next thing you should do is click on download for free. Click on download at the top right corner. And wait for it. As you can see, it pops up, so wait for it to download. So guys, to install RankMath, go to plugin on your WordPress dashboard and click on add new. Click on upload plugin, choose file and select the RankMath plugin. Click on install now. Click on activate plugin. Next, RankMath is going to ask us to connect our accounts. Click on connect your account. RankMath will bring you to a plugin activation page, so click on activate now. Now the next one is RankMath is going to bring you to the setup wizard. This setup are essential so that RankMath will be able to assist us with the best SEO practices. So for it to continue, click on your site. Next, now let's do some major setup for our site. That blog is for me, I'll choose personal blog. You can choose any of the options related to your business. Next, on website name, I will go for blog. Then scroll down, you can decide to upload a Google logo. This logo is essential for your page rankings. So whenever you rank on a particular keyword, Google will display your logo close to your content. Now click on save and continue. Next, for this, we'll come back to this option later. Go ahead and click on skip step. Then next page is about sitemap. Go and click on save and continue. Click on save and continue under SEO tweaks. Now RankMath is successfully installed and activated on your WordPress site. Now you'll be able to use it to optimize your site. But before you optimize your website, let's check the SEO ranking and see the parts of your website that need optimizing. Now click on return to dashboard. Now over at the WordPress dashboard menu, under RankMath SEO, click on SEO Analyzer. Click on Start Analyzer. RankMath will analyze your entire website and generate an overall SEO score. As you can see, our site scores 63 over 100. Not bad, but there's always room for improvement. RankMath also gives us a detailed review, highlighting each and every step to enhance your SEO score and optimize your site effectively. Before we proceed with the suggestion, let's do some basic site settings, which can be the very first steps in taking when you want to optimize your website. So let's go to settings, click general. Now over here at settings, make sure we have a site tagline. So I'll put mine, grow smarter, make better, and scroll down and click on save changes. Next, let's make adjustment to our permalinks. So under settings, go down to permalinks. By default, permalink is set to day and time, but this is wrong. So we are going to change it to post name for SEO purposes. So scroll down and click on save changes. Now that we have done the basic settings on our website, next let's see how we can improve our site's SEO scores by following RankMath suggestions. Optimizing our website involves two different stages. One is on-page SEO, which means optimizing all our pages like our blog pages, services pages, and our about pages. The next one is off-page SEO, which involves making sure your website ranks on Google search engine. But first, let's tackle on-page SEO. So on your WordPress dashboard, go to pages. We are going to start with optimizing the home page. If you are using the Elementor page builder, it's going to be much easier for you. So just click on edit with Elementor. So on your Elementor menu, go ahead and click on SEO. RankMath will analyze our homepage and give us an overall score. As you can see, RankMath has given us a score of 26 over 100, which is not a very decent score. But not to worry, RankMath has also given us suggestions on how we can improve the ratings for our homepage. Now, for us to begin, we need to start with a focus keyword. Now, this focus keyword usually means a keyword that you want your site to be ranked for. Let's say a digital marketing site. Obviously, you want your site to rank for digital marketing or social media marketing and so on. So I will go for digital marketing. So click on it. Next, RankMath says focus keyword does not appear in the SEO title. Now to fix this, we click on edit snippet and a window will open. So over here you can change our site title, permalinks and description. So this is how our site title appears in the Google search results. So to fix this, let me rewrite my title. Make sure the focus keyword appears at the beginning of the site title and at the description too. Now when you are done with this, now see how our site title changes and our description too. So now when you are done with this, RankMath will give you a green tick over here, and your site score will gradually increase as you make the changes. So guys, just repeat this step for every notification with the bad icon. And in this way, you can fix all the basic suggestions given by RankMath on the page. Now after you are done with the basic settings, let's go over to the next step, which is optimizing our blog posts. So go over to your WordPress dashboard, click on posts, select the first post, click on edit. Over here you can view the RankMath overall ratings for this blog post. To view the RankMath suggestion, just click on it. And down below you can see the various suggestions RankMath has given us to optimize this blog post. To begin with, let's start by adding a focus keyword. That is a keyword you want this blog post to rank for. For me, I will use digital marketing. So select digital marketing. The next suggestion said focus keyword not found in your meta SEO description. So to fix that, scroll up and click on edit snippet. So scroll down to your description, add my meta description. I've added my meta description to my focus keyword, and as you can see, my SEO score has increased. So let's go over to the next one. The next suggestion is that focus keyword doesn't appear at the beginning of your content. So let's fix that. Okay, now we have fixed that. Digital marketing, which is our focus keyword, now appears at the beginning of our content. So as you can see, our SEO score keeps on increasing. So let's scroll down. Now we are done with the basic SEO. Let's go to the additional options. Over here it said an image with your focus keyword as alt text. So let's add an image. So to add an image, just click on the plus icon and type in image. So I'll choose from my media gallery. I'll select this. Then I'll add digital marketing over here as my alt text. So select it. So let's go over to the next one. Okay, so let's add an internal link in my content. So I will link this content to one of my other blog posts. So let's grab the link from our blog page. And let me link it here. So let's see. Add an outbound link. So I'll add the Google Analytics page as an outbound link to my content. As you can see, my SEO score keeps improving as I'm adjusting the suggestions given by RankMath. So let's scroll down. So just repeat these steps for all the suggestions that ticked bad here. So let's go over to content readability, and here it says you don't seem to be using a table of content plugin. Okay, so luckily for us, RankMath offers us a table of content plugin. So I'm going to scroll up, make a space before the introduction of your content, and click on the plus icon and type in table of contents, and just like that. So as you can see, my SEO score is 84 over 100, but if you like it to be 90 or 100 over 100, it's still possible. Just follow the steps and suggestions given by RankMath. Okay, so now that we are done with this, I'm going to click on save. So guys, let's say you don't want to go through all the struggles of adding a meta description, adding an alternate text and a focus keyword. RankMath offers us a tool called Content AI. Instead of guessing what your content needs, Content AI analyzes your topic and suggests keywords and word count to target and improve your content needs. To check this out, just click on the first link in my description, and it will bring you to this page, to this RankMath page. Now click on Content AI, select Buy Now. Then you can choose from the various options: expert, creator, or starter. Now depending on how much of a professional you are, you can choose, but me, I'll go for the starter. So you can click on Buy Now, then fill in your payment details to make a purchase. So now that we are done optimizing our website, let's check our overall score again. So go back to your dashboard, to your WordPress dashboard, go to RankMath and click on SEO Analyzer. Now click on Restart SEO Analyzer. Now RankMath will analyze our website again. As you can see, it gives us a score of 91 over 100, which is great. So guys, this is how you can optimize your website for better ranking on Google. So guys, make sure you run these optimizations for all your pages and blog posts for you to get an SEO score like mine. Now that we are done with optimizing our pages and blog posts, let's perform some technical optimization with RankMath. Using RankMath, we are going to connect our website to Google Search Console and Google Analytics. Doing this increases the chances of our websites appearing prominently on Google search results. To begin, go over to your RankMath dashboard. Ensure that Analytics model is enabled. Click on General Settings. Then scroll down and click on Analytics. Now, if your site is not automatically connected to your Google account, RankMath will ask you to do that. So click on Connect Google Services. Now choose the Google account you want connected to your RankMath. Click on Continue. Then click on Select All so our RankMath can access all these tools to give you the best settings for the Google Analytics. Click on Continue. So after that, RankMath will redirect you to the Analytics dashboard. Then over here at Search Console, select your preferred country. Now scroll down to the end of your page and click on Save Changes. So that's it guys, we have successfully connected our website to the Google Search Console. Now let's see how we can set up the Google Search Console. To do this, open a new tab and search for Google Search Console. Click on the first result. Click on Start Now. So as you can see, our website has been added to the Google Search Console. So the next important step we need to do is submit a sitemap to Google. Sitemap is a page that has a link to all your pages and blog posts you have on your site. Google uses your sitemap to crawl through your site while searching for results. How to do this? Click on sitemap settings. Copy the sitemap from top of the list. Then let's go back to the Google Search Console. Click on sitemaps. Then paste here. Under add new sitemap, paste. Then click on submit. This means our sitemap has been successfully submitted to Google. So guys, that's it for the RankMath tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel to get more content like this. Thank you.